Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Math, Section 1.3, Problem 12. This is Section 1.3, Problem 12. It says find the perimeter of the figure, and we have a triangle. It's 18 inches across the bottom, 14 inches on one side, and 10 inches on the other side. So perimeter really means the distance all the way around the figure. So we just add up the numbers, 14 plus 10 plus 18. You can really add them in any order you want. So 14 plus 10 plus 18. So I'll just add each column of numbers. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 8 is 12. So for 12, I'll write the 2 under the column of numbers that I just added, and the 1 from the 12 gets carried to the top of the next column, and then I'll add 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, plus another one is 3. 3 plus 1 more is 4. So the perimeter is 42. Now I should notice what units of measure are used in the question. The units of measure are inches. So my answer is the perimeter or distance around the triangle is 42 inches.